Forgotten username recovery failed on Santander Bank Fix. If you've been trying to recover your Santander Bank username but keep getting an error, you're not the only one. Most people assume it's a system issue, but the surprising truth is that recovery often fails because of simple mismatches in your personal details. Let's go through the steps to fix it quickly and safely. Start by going to the Santander Bank login page and clicking Forgot Username. You'll need to provide details like your account number, last 4 digits of your social security number, and your date of birth. These must match exactly what's on file with the bank. Even a small difference like a middle name or an outdated address can cause the recovery to fail. If the page keeps rejecting your information, it might mean your contact details have changed or the bank's records are out of date. Try entering any previous email addresses or phone numbers you might have used when you first opened your account. Didn't get the recovery email? Check your spam or junk folder for a message from Santander Online Banking. If you still don't see it, don't retry too many times in a row. Santander's system temporarily blocks repeated recovery attempts for security reasons. If nothing works, contact Santander customer service directly at 1-877-760-822-65. They can verify your identity and help reset your username manually. Once you regain access, take a minute to update your profile details, especially your phone number, email, and address. That one small step can save you from future recovery issues. Getting locked out is stressful, but following these steps will help you restore access to your Santander bank account quickly. Stay patient, follow the process carefully, and you'll be back to managing your money in no time.